the blizzard of 2011. It's already like 3 inches on the floor. It is freaking windy. My gas is going to be blown off my head. Could hardly see halfway down the block. I guess it's bad when the wind picks up. There's not a lot of traffic on Main Street, which is good. So we're just like, I'll say like, what, 2.5 hours into our storm? And with snow blowing all over the place, I don't know who's going to be getting big pile-up up their door or garage, and who won't. But it is cold out here. Pues México, aquí está la tormenta que tenemos en Chicago. La de 2011. Dicen que tenemos 40 años de que no se ha dado una tormenta como esta, que se espera desde las 3 de la tarde de hoy hasta las 3 de la tarde de mañana. 24 horas de tormenta vamos a tener de nieve. Se esperan como unas 24 pulgadas de nieve, pero los vientos están como 45 millas por hora. Están fuertes y está frío. Con el factor del viento dicen que está como 6 arriba de 0, y claro, pues es Fahrenheit. Y está frío. Well, West Coasters, what you call a storm. Well, that'll be it for now. I'll come out later on and see how the snow is piling up. Well, here comes another gust of wind. Okay, that's all for now. Bye.